Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Fusion, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2020. If you have one of those, if you need to find where guys the fuses for the cooling fan are located, it's 3 fuses that are actually hidden in a fuse box that most people don't even know it exists. We will talk about that, where you can find it, where you can buy cheap parts to use fuses relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, and why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So let us tell you a little bit about us guys. When we get a car here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 free repair videos absolutely to you guys. We make a video about every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car doesn't start, you can easily identify what causes that. You can search for engine starter fuse, fuel pump fuse. Let's say that's a problem, you replace it, you're back in the road. It takes less than 2 minutes to watch the video guys. So that will be guys our mission, to make your life easier and to solve your problem. Now in addition guys, we have other channels as well. We make 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage, take them completely apart. We do engine work, transmission, body work, engine codes, fuses, anything like that. Now, why we do that? To save you money guys. So on this Ford Fusion there are different years, okay, through the different models through the years from 2013 all the way to 2020. There will be some minor differences about the fuses. So if you notice that we mention up to 2-3 different fuses for the same thing, it could be because it could be a different fuse for a different year, but we're trying to help all of you with that generation Ford Fusion. So let's start on it now. So the cooling fan guys, fuses, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on that generation Ford Fusion here. You guys have multiple fuse boxes, we'll work in just one under the hood. It's actually hidden. Most people know about that fuse box on the driver's side with a cover that looks like a T, and if you open that cover guys, you're going to see a fuse box with a layout like this one. But none of these are for the radiator or cooling fan. They're hidden. And before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So another thing guys, before I forget, if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Ford Fusion or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste your money and time. So guys, here for the cooling fan, on the bottom of this fuse box you have more fuses. There are 2 latches that you open, okay, and once you do that, that box will flip on the side, and underneath on the bottom of this one you're going to see more fuses that look like that one. Here you will need to check fuse number 59, that's for the cooling fan, fuse number 60, and then there is one more that you need to check, it's known as fuse number 63 right here. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.